Hey, what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from James of Fort Collins. After 20 years of paying my insurance company's homeowners insurance, we had wind and hail damage to our roof. One room inside the house was leaking badly. Shingles were torn off, also due to hail damage. I made a claim. The independent adjuster told my roofing contractor that she can't go with this claim because she was afraid of being fired. This happens. This legitimately happens. The claim did not go through. Insurance company sent a letter to me on how not to make a claim. Other homes in my subdivision are getting new roofs, but the key is they did not have this same insurance company that I had. Don't hire that insurance company. Well, yeah, right? But this is the deal, is insurance adjusters make decisions that are also sometimes in their best interest, not necessarily in the best interest of the property owner. And they have no fiduciary responsibility to the property owner or the policyholder. We do, okay? I want you to know that that's what we do as public insurance adjusters, is we help the policyholder. We work and represent for the policyholder. We have to put the policyholder's best interest before our own. And that is the key, is we work for you. Our interest as public insurance adjuster and property owner, they are aligned, okay? And that is a big deal. So if you are fighting the insurance company from delaying your claim, denying your claim, diminishing your claim, meaning underpaying your claim, contact us today. BellatorClaims.com.